Python throws an import error at startup, and circular imports are usually the culprit. A circular import happens when module A imports module B, and module B imports module A. Python runs each file top to bottom, so when it hits this cycle, one module isn't fully initialized, and the import fails. The cleanest fix is restructuring your code. If both modules need the same class or function, extract it into a third module, call it shared or utils, and have both import from there. You can also merge tightly coupled modules, or invert the dependency so only one imports the other. Another solution is moving the import inside a function or method, a deferred or lazy import. It only runs when that function is called, by which point both modules are fully loaded. It works well, but it hides your dependencies, so reserve it for cases where restructuring isn't practical. For imports needed only in type hints, use the typecking constant from Python's typing module. Wrap the import in an if typecking block. It only runs during static analysis, never at runtime, so the cycle never triggers. As a last resort, you can also move imports to the bottom of a file after your class and function definitions to delay when the cycle resolves. Circular imports are almost always a design signal. Restructure your code first, then fall back to deferred imports or the typecking guard. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.